Hi guys, welcome to Codewell, and today we are going to discuss a problem called shame tree. It's a easy level question in lead code. So what's the question? So we have to check if both the binary trees are equal or not, same or not. What do I mean by same? If both have same value and same structure with same values on that particular structure, then it is same. In this at root we have one. If you're going to left we have two. If you are going to right both side we have three, so it's true. But in this case, if you're going to left we have two, but in this if you're going to left we don't have two. In right we have, even though these look similar but it's not same, so false. So that is what we are going to do. So obviously we are using recursion here, and recursively we'll just check if one is equal to one. We're going to left, where both side we go to left and we check if both the values are equal. Both side we go to right, we check if both the values are equal. That's it, that's all we have to do. So let's start coding. So we know that before we start in recursion, before we go to logic, what's more important, that's the base case. What will be the base case here? That is, what will be the base case? Base case will be if both will be empty, right? If both are empty, just return true. What if one is empty, the other one is not empty? That time return false, right? Right, if one is empty, the other one is not empty, then it's false, right? It's not same. And what's the let now we are done with the base case. Now let's come to our logic. What is the logic? If both the values are equal, right, we have to check if both are equal or not. So before that, what we'll do, we'll also say, right, we'll just say how we are checking it. That is recursively, yes, we know, but how we are going it, if P of left is double, I mean P of left and Q of left. You are going to P of left and Q of left, and also a Q of right and Q of P of right. If both the values are same, then return true. So what we say is same tree of P left and Q left, and the same of tree P right, Q right, right. So let's come to our logic. This is the case, like we are going to left and right, but yeah, we are going, but what we are doing, the main thing is we are checking if P val is not equal. If it is not equal to Q val, just return false, right? If it is if it is not, if it is not equal, return false, or else return true. That's it. And this will go on until it reaches the last node. So let's run this. It has worked. It has done. So yeah, that is pretty much it from this video. There are a lot of videos which we have already done. Check those videos out too. And yeah, stay tuned and keep coding. Stay safe. Thank you.